let's make a very quick breakfast. All right, I'm going to cut my bread. I'm going to cut the bread, cut out the inner parts, cut out the inner parts. All right. Cut out the inner parts here. All right. Yeah. All right. Tuna fish, yeah. So I'll empty this, yeah. I'll put the tuna fish. I'll put tuna fish here. Mayonnaise here, like 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise. All right, so I'll mix this up together to combine. My bread here. Place this one here. Now add this cheese. Add in my tuna mayo mixture. Yeah. Alright, so let's get toasting. I'll close this here. This is 18 minutes. Let's check it out. This is after 8 minutes. And this is what we have. Well toasted. Man, this smells so yummy. Let's take a look at the inside. Let's take a look. Oh, this is crispy. Crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Let's take a look. You see, that's quite yummy. So share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.